Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare wheatgrass for optimal consumption. Unlike many vegetables, wheatgrass is not traditionally cooked with heat, as this can diminish its powerful nutritional profile. The only way to truly prepare wheatgrass to harness its full potential is through a specific method that preserves its raw, living enzymes and vitamins. We will focus on extracting its vibrant juice, ensuring you get the most from this incredible green. The core of preparing wheatgrass lies in the juicing process. For best results, use a slow masticating juicer as it minimizes heat and oxidation, preserving delicate enzymes. Start with about 1 ounce of fresh, rinsed wheatgrass. Feed it slowly into the juicer, allowing the machine to thoroughly extract the juice. This careful process ensures you capture the maximum amount of beneficial compounds from the grass. Once juiced, it is crucial to consume your wheatgrass immediately to benefit from its peak potency. Begin with a modest serving, perhaps 1 to 2 ounces, especially if you are new to wheatgrass, allowing your system to acclimate. While it is best enjoyed pure, you can dilute it with a small amount of water or a splash of apple juice to mellow its intense flavor. Remember, avoid any added sugars to keep it truly wholesome. Wheatgrass is a powerhouse of nutrition, packed with chlorophyll, essential vitamins, and vital minerals. Regular, consistent consumption can significantly support your body's natural detoxification processes and enhance your overall vitality. Always prioritize using organic, freshly harvested wheatgrass to ensure you are receiving the purest and most potent nutrients. Store any unjuiced wheatgrass in your refrigerator for up to 7 days to maintain its freshness before preparation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.